Hi there, nice to meet everyone. My name is Michael Canellis. I'm in the marketing department at OSIsoft. And I always like a show of hands here. Actually, who's ever heard of OSIsoft? Fantastic. Okay, so where I'm from, I'm actually from Silicon Valley. Usually it's like maybe one or two hands go up and it's like, oh, they're my coworkers. So, what we do is, we're a data infrastructure. We gather data from all the machinery and processes in your system, bring it up and sort of serve it up. Probably we got into digital twin about maybe 10 years ago. It was something called asset framework, where basically it just takes all the data from a certain asset, a pump, flow rates, power, and things like that, bring it up so you can see it all there at once. But right now, one of the things I've been going through, and we'll talk about this today, is what is a digital twin? It's almost like a fighting word. It's like asking someone what edge is. There's 15 people and you get 35 definitions. And on one end you have these people imagine this majority report sort of thing that is sort of 3D visualization of all your processes. You sweep your hand around and it'll tell you answers and it'll predict things. And on the other end, it's just actually just a few data points put together that actually tell you something that you didn't know before. It's a dynamic representation of what's going on in the real world. In fact, I've seen some digital twins that are only 2 data streams. So that's a big issue. But also the other issues too is once you do have this inside of one strategy, how do you actually incubate it and make sure the employees use it as part of the processes? So those are some of the issues we'll talk about today. And now I'll pass it on to Corbett.
Thanks, Michael. So I'm Colby Manwaring, CEO of Innovise. Welcome to the Digital Twin Workshop, and we're happy to be sponsoring and to be involved with SWAN as an overall organization. A few comments from me, a few observations from the Innovise point of view, where we've been involved, obviously, in the hydraulic modeling part of this industry for decades, and starting with hydraulic modeling seems like that's a place where many people start with their digital twin thinking. It's by no means the end of the digital twin thinking. So at Innovise, we've sat down and come up with a digital twin statement, which, as has been pointed out, it's not the only statement out there, and it's one that is to be debated, and we'll see where we land. As you might expect, Innovise's digital twin statement is around multi-physics, multi-scale probabilistic simulation of the assets of a water network. So on and so forth. The last part of that sentence, or the last part of the statement, though, is what I'm looking forward to exploring on the panel, and that is how does this model replicate the life of its corresponding real-world twin? That's what we're really getting down to here. We can use a lot of different technologies, data streams, but at the end of the day, we're trying to replicate the life of a real-world network. And why do we replicate the life of that? So that we can operate it more efficiently, and we can design more efficiently, we can manage it more efficiently, operate it more efficiently, respond to real-world situations more efficiently. But at the end of the day, the digital twin is not a reason unto itself. It actually has to be useful to the owners, operators of a system. So I'm looking forward in our panel to discussing that. As Gigi has already pointed out, a lot of things are coming together. If I said digital twin 15 years ago, everyone would just have a blank look, except maybe the GE people who weren't in this room anyway at that point. But digital twins, why now? Well, because it is coming together. Models are increasingly complex, and computing power is increased so that we can update, maintain, continuously feed the models with calibration data, with validation data, and with seemingly unrelated data that turns out to be related if we apply the right analytics. So with that all coming together, we've got an opportunity then to build digital twins, but more importantly, trust a digital twin to tell us information. So internally at Innovise, I speak a lot about trust within a company. And truthfully, when it comes to digital twins, I do believe that it's all about trust. Does the operator trust that the digital twin is giving him good information? Does the engineer trust that she is getting a realistic view of the system? All of this work on building a digital twin is really an academic exercise unless So in the panel that I will chair, I'm hopeful that we can move beyond the details of a model. I can talk about modeling all day and all night. I can talk about asset management all day and all night and the technical details of that. But at the end of the day, what is the utility an owner or operator gets out of digital twin? What's the purpose of it? That's what needs to drive the technology. That's what needs to drive the analytics. That's what needs to drive the use of the digital twin. Because if it doesn't, we have an interesting hobby, but we may not have something that actually makes a difference in the world. So it's about trusting the digital twin. I'm going to skip through these things, but in the world of modeling, when we get to the panel, most of you would know there's hierarchies of virtual models, static infrastructure models, dynamic network models, real-time performance models, and which one of those is appropriate for a digital twin? I'm going to say all of them at some stage or another. And going beyond that, the static infrastructure model, sure, that's a basis. A dynamic network model, sure. Probably most everyone has had exposure to that. If we get into real-time performance models, that's where it's becoming more exciting. We can look backward, we can look forward, we can look right now. But at the end of the day, there are pluses and minuses to models, to data streams, to different approaches. I don't believe there's a one answer fits all, and I'm hopeful that in the panel that I chair, we can explore some of the options for modeling, for analytics, for machine learning, for getting to useful answers, almost regardless of the pathway we take to get there. Getting to useful answers is really what we want at the end of the day. So, thank you again for being here, and I'll look forward